Here's how I was able to remove a late payment from Grain. Now, what Grain is, it's a credit building software or credit building program or credit building bank, anyway, however you want to say it. But how I got it is they based your approvals off of your bank statements. So that's based off of how much you get paid, what kind of transactions you have, and they make a decision on what amount they feel that they can trust you with lending. So in return, you're going to get a line of credit that you'll be able to just transfer money to and from your bank account, right? So what I did is I got approved and I started using the account and I was actively paying it back because they pull the money out automatically. I think it's like every week or something. It's been a while since I've used it. What happened was my bank account got disconnected from Grain. Okay, so it was no longer pulling those automatic payments. I had not received any notification saying that my bank account was disconnected or saying that my payment was late, right? So what happened was I got an alert on my credit report. I had Experian and I looked at it and I was like, oh my gosh, like it's saying I'm late. And it dropped my score like 50 some points. But I knew I was not late because I had it automatically pulling out of my account. So what I did is I tried to contact the company via email. I tried calling them. I got zero response from anybody. So I was really discouraged because it was truly not a late payment. Like it wasn't my fault is the point I'm trying to make, right? And I know that this happens a lot of times to different people across different banks or different creditors, right? So here's what I did to solve that problem. I filed a dispute on the CFPB, okay, the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, and I filed that dispute along with all of my proof, the emails that I had sent to Grain, okay, with no response. The screenshots of previous months of where maybe my bank account was disconnected and I got an alert and I went back in and reactivated it. I also showed how I didn't receive anything that month, no email saying that my bank account was disconnected. I also sent them an entire story of what happened. And I'm not kidding you. Literally 2 days later, I finally received contact from Grain. They apologized and they updated my credit reports across the board. So I no longer had any late payments. They showed that everything was active and current and everything was good. So the point to my story is don't take no as an answer when it comes to removing things off your credit, whether it's late payments, collections, anything like that. If there was a mistake that was made and maybe it wasn't made on your behalf, you have the power to resolve it. And the biggest power that you have is your voice and the proof, okay? So what I want you to do is pick up the phone, try to get in contact with them, and try to resolve it with that bank or that institution or that program directly. And if you can't, you can always file a dispute with the CFPB to get a resolution. So to learn more ways on how you can fix your credit or remove late payments or collections or repos or bankruptcies, you'll want to go to my Linktree and click where it says Free Credit Masterclass, and you're going to get instant access to my free class, and I'll see you inside.